Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, good night, and what's up? Hey everybody, I'm NaturallyStacey and welcome back to my channel. To all of my existing subscribers and to all my new subscribers, hello, sit down, get a drink, get a snack, and welcome to this week's video. Woo, there was a lot going on there, okay? Yeah, I've been gone for a minute. I know. We're not gonna get into all of that. We not. But if you guys want to know what we doing in this week's video, stay tuned. Okay, well, I've been gone for a while and I always take these breaks. Sometimes they're unforced break. Sometimes they're forced breaks because I have a lot going on with school or with work. Sometimes I just run out of ideas. Sometimes I just get really freaking tired. But I am back. I have a video this week, and if you guys saw the title, I am going to show you guys my new workstation. Well, it's not new. I normally edit these videos here on the iMac that's behind me. But right now, since we are in quarantine, I now sit here a little bit more often. So I'm going to walk you guys through my workstation setup and what I do in my regular day. Right now, my regular day is from 6:30 in the morning. Well, actually, my regular day has always been the same. It's from 6:30 to 3:30 in the afternoon. Yes, it's a very early morning. And my mornings actually start earlier than that. I'm trying to start working out before work. I'm trying to get up at like 3:45, work out at from 4 to 5, shower, and then go to work. That's what I'm trying to do. But I'm not going to say it's happening for real. But, let's turn that back on. That always doesn't happen. But we're not going to get into all of that. But let's get into what we do. First, I'm going to show you guys my workstation setup from left to right. First thing that you see is my iPad Air, which I just picked that up a few weeks ago from Target. I switched from the budget iPad to the iPad Air, which came out last year. And if you guys want to know a little bit more why I upgraded to the iPad Air, talk to me below and I could do a whole video on why I switched, which is not a problem. I don't mind doing that. Next thing is my MacBook Air. My MacBook Air is what I do all of my actual work on. Sorry if you guys heard that.
8:00 p.m.
And it's 8 o'clock. That's my new screensaver I have on the iPad. And yes, you guys get a sighting. You guys used to get sightings of her all the time. But this time you might get a little sighting of her. But I'm going to block her with my head. Anyway, with my MacBook Air, that's where I remote in from my office to home so I can do all of my work. I see all my emails. I see our operating system and everything through there. Even all of my drives for that I save things in are all there so I can do all of my actual work. And the next thing that you're going to see is my iMac. My iMac normally is for video editing, what I've edited all of my YouTube videos on. But while we are in quarantine, I have been running a lot of YouTube on it and just watching videos, like money videos, not travel videos, but news videos. Some still, luxury and beauty videos. Of course, I still get into all that too. So I try to keep that going, one, as a bit of a noise in the background for me. And on the other end, it also just, it's relaxing to hear. Plus, like when I watch the videos from like say CNBC's channel, I'm learning something different, like about the video that I watched here at the end of this video. I'm watching the decline of JCPenney. I'll put a link to that video below, which is very interesting how that's going for them and stuff. So CNBC has a lot of really cool videos to watch if you want to know about business, the business model of a lot of retail. And I'm into a lot of that stuff because I am a huge shopaholic. So I like to know things. So from there, I start my day. What I do is I go to my iPad. I go to the Reminders tab, the Reminders app, and I put in everything that I need to do. A lot of stuff that I keep from the day before, I leave on there, and I put in whatever new I need to do. So I'll type in that. I'm sorry about the lighting. The sun was not up yet. And I didn't think about bringing in my freaking ring light. I don't know why I didn't do it. But I go ahead and I put in whatever to-dos I need to, things I want to get done in that day. So I don't have to worry about trying to remember now, what do I need to do? I just go to the reminders app and I put all that in. Then I go to my notes app, just take, do a little scrolling, see what I have in there. If I have any notes that I want to look at. And sometimes I leave the notes app on because if I want to something pops in my head sometimes for like a video idea or just any random thought, I have the notes app there so I can just kind of dump it out of my brain so I can get back to what I need to do, which is my actual work. So I start my work, like I said, at 6:30. I'll have my tea, which I did not have tea this time. Oh, because my teacup was in the dishwasher. I a lot of times will try to run the dishwasher first run of the day and stuff. I'll have my tea and my water, but this time I just had water. Thank goodness, because I need it. My lips have been really chapped. I don't know what's going on. So I go ahead, I get my water, and I get on with the day. But then, I get hungry. I get my breakfast, and I was having a fight with the new Keurig machine. Reginald got a new Keurig, and God, I don't even know how to work that thing. I don't know. And come to find out, I didn't have enough freaking water in it. That's what happened. So got all that done. Went on with my day, got all my stuff done. Lunchtime hits. It's about 11 o'clock. Reginald comes out, and then we start talking about what we're going to do for lunch. And really, we ended up eating McDonald's, something I don't do very often. Actually, both of us don't do very often. When I do get McDonald's, it's the same thing. It's freaking a filet of fish, a fry, and a strawberry shake. And of course, something was wrong with the shake machine. So my shake was half a quarter strawberry and 3/4 vanilla, which is fine. I like both. It wasn't a big deal. And they gave us cookies, and I'm always here for a cookie. Always here for cookies. So went on, ate my lunch, did still a little work while eating lunch. Then at my actual lunchtime, I took a nap. When I got done with that, then it was time to get back to work. I have like 2.5 hours to go, and that's when I'm chugging away. Of course, I get FaceTime with my sisters. We've all been really FaceTiming each other a lot during this situation to check up on each other and to just, do what we do best, make each other laugh. And I feel so blessed to have those three in my life. And yesterday was actually Friday was National Siblings Day, which was really cool. I got to see all three of my siblings, so it was really cool. We all got to talk and just talk through our day and see how we were all doing, stuff like that. So which was really cool. And after that, I got to finish out my day. Had to get a phone call from the warehouse because I forgot to print tickets and get schedules together for for Monday. Yep, Friday happened to be Good Friday, so I didn't have to work. But I forgot to get my tickets together. But that's okay. No big deal. No sweat. No sweat. I'll just get up early, do everything I need to do so Derek can get everything for me and get it for the guys. But that's okay. It all works out. So, and that's how I ended my day. My day mainly, to be brutally honest, when I'm in the office, my day, there's a lot going on because I have a lot of people talking to me and a lot of things going on around me. I am also training a new person, so it is kind of hard to train her remotely. So basically what I do is a lot of step-by-step instructions. If I can do screenshots, I'll send screenshots and circle things for her. So it all, I try to do as much as I possibly can to train her in the correct way so she knows what she needs and, she can get all the instruction that she needs. So it all pretty much works out that way. But but when you're at home, it's a little different. I mean, like I said, it's different when you're at home. And when I'm in the office, she sits like right in front of me. We just have a divider between us, and I'll just stand up real quick and answer her question. And we're just, we keep going, and the day goes on and stuff. So, but everything's been working out pretty well. We do have our weekly team meetings, which now are visual. So I have to make sure I have like somewhat of a face on. I don't put lashes on. I'll at least put on, some. At least my eyebrows are done. I'll just say that. I'll just at least have some eyebrows. That's the one thing I'll say is I have some eyebrows. But it's been a bit of a challenge, I think, for me with this whole thing. Because I don't have the separation, but that's okay. I'm trying to work through it. I am trying to work through it. I would love to know how you guys are doing and how are you all working through working from home. If you guys are able to work from home, are you guys essential workers? Are you still getting to go into work? God bless all the people on the front lines, from the nurses to the grocers, the people at the grocery stores, the people at the gas stations, the banks, the folks at the banks, people at like the dollar stores and stuff like that. God bless you guys for like still going and dealing with some of these people. And I've been hearing a lot of horror stories and stuff, and it's crazy. It is really, really crazy out here. And I just hope everyone stays safe so we can get out of this sooner than later. I'm just going to say it like that. So for that, I'm going to end this video on that. I originally shot this video a little different, and I had like 2 hours of footage I was editing down, and I was like, I can't do the video like that. So this is the new way we're doing a video. I hope you guys like it. So if you guys like videos like this, please give me a thumbs up and, like and subscribe, or subscribe and like, or like and subscribe, or whichever way you want to do it. I don't care. Liking and subscribing are free. So I'm going to get on out of here. Schmoogie's taking a nap, as you guys can see behind my head. I'm going to get this edited so you guys can see it on time on Sunday, which is Easter Sunday. So I'm giving you guys an Easter video, eat the video. And I got an Easter basket. I'm going to eat. I might start eating on my Easter basket. I'm really thinking about really like getting in on this Easter basket situation. I don't know. This is nice. The Easter bunny dropped the Easter basket off, and I'm really ready to get into it. So I'm going to go. If you guys have any questions, talk to me below. You saw all of my social media at the beginning. I am glad to be back. I hope to have new videos for you guys in the next few weeks. I have them all written down. I just got to sit down and film them. So I'm going to get on out of here. Talk to you later. Love, peace, and hair products. Bye.